and welcome back to this tutorial. In the previous section again what we've done is that we have created or duplicated the aircraft and we made sure as well that the one that is active has colliders with a tag called plane. So in this section we will just try to detect whether we are colliding with this plane, and if that's the case we're going to display a message that will be based on whether we have enough petrol cans. So again we're going to go back to Visual Studio, and once this is done we will basically start to have a look at what we're colliding with. So again, in this section here we're going to say if again tag of the object is plane, okay, and then again we're going to open and close our bracket, and again we're going to check whether we have enough petrol cans. So if NB cans collected is less than 3, we're going to start to do a few things. The first thing is we're going to start to display a message. So again I'm going to take this guy here and paste it. So again I'm going to say that equals so sorry you need 3 cans. Okay, so again that's done. I'm going to put my semicolon just after, and when this is done, basically what I will do as well for this message to disappear after a few seconds, I'm going to just set the variable start timer to true. Okay, so again I'm going to display the message and set the variable start timer to true. So effectively whenever I go to this plane and if I don't have enough cans, what should happen is that I should get this message, sorry you need 3 cans. So I'm going to save that, go back to Unity, and again let the script compile automatically. Once this is done, which is the case, which should be the case very shortly, I'm going to play the scene and go towards the plane, and because I haven't collected any cans before doing so, I should get the message that I don't have enough cans, that I should have 3 cans instead. Okay, so again clicking inside the window here, moving towards the plane. Okay, and you can say sorry you need. Now the problem is my message is not the message interface, sorry, is not actually large enough, so the only thing I need to do really is to go back to my canvas, which is there, user message UI, and switch back to the TD mode. Again, double click on my user message UI and make sure it is bigger. Okay, so again I'm going to increase its size, and now that should be a bit better. Okay, and again the font itself I could have increased that maybe to 8 instead. Right, see, that's a bit better. Okay, so again I'm going to save this and play my scene again. Okay, so a few seconds, and by playing my scene and going towards the plane, now we should see the text a bit more clearly. So again I'm going to click inside the window. Sorry, play again. So I'm going to click inside the window and move towards the plane, and again I should see my message in a few seconds. So that's it, go forward. Yeah, sorry you need 3 cans. Okay, so it seems to be working. So again in this section we've managed to display a message whenever we collide the plane. So the next part will be to display a message whenever we collide with a petrol can, just to indicate that we have picked up a petrol can. Okay, so that's going to be in the next section.